Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 25th, 2023. I hope everybody's having a great Tuesday out there. Everybody's having a great evening as well. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to talk about the weather charts for your Wednesday and Thursday. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. We're going to take a look at the watches, warning, advisory. Also, we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook, overview, and a few other products as well. And also, we're going to take a look at the Climate Prediction Center 8 to 14 day outlook for precipitation and your temperature. So let's go ahead and get the show on the road here. We're going to start off in the northeastern portion of the United States. We got mixed precipitation extending all the way from southern Canada, also over in the portion of New Hampshire, New York State, and also in the portion of Pennsylvania. Also, I've got rain shower along the I-95 extending from New Hampshire all the way down to west to Virginia. Also, PA you included. Also, we've got showers also extending from Virginia to Kentucky to Missouri. Also over to Kansas. Also, we have some shower activity over portions of Wisconsin, Minnesota, South Dakota, North Dakota, and southern Canada. Also, we have some mixed precipitation over portions of southern Canada and northeast Wisconsin and northeast Minnesota. We have shower and thunderstorm activity extending from the Carolinas through Georgia, through Florida, all the way back to Texas, all the way over toward portions of southeast Colorado, northeast New Mexico, and southern Kansas. Also, with some mixed precipitation over here around the Denver, Colorado area, back down into the portion of New Mexico. In the yellow slashed area, there's some severe weather possible in your region. Also, we have some flash flooding possible in the red area here. For possible flash flooding, we got high pressure dominating the Chicago area, Ohio region, and also back over to Iowa, portion of South Dakota, and portion of Nebraska as well. Also, Montana and the West Coast looks good because high pressure is dominating y'all's region. All right, let's take a look at your Thursday forecast, April 27th. We have mixed precipitation, rain showers over portions of New Hampshire and Maine. We have shower activity extending from portions of Pennsylvania through to Virginia, all the way in Ohio and also Indiana. Also, we have some rain showers over Michigan, over toward Wisconsin, Minnesota, also into North Dakota, and also a portion of northern Montana and southern Canada. We have mixed precipitation up here in southern Canada and portion of northeast Wisconsin. Also over here in portion of northern North Dakota, and also over here in Montana, Wyoming, southwestern North Dakota, western South Dakota, western Nebraska, over here around the Denver, Colorado area. You got mixed precipitation there, high pressure dominating the west coast. We have shower and thunderstorm extending from portions of North Dakota through Minnesota, back into Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, back to Texas, all the way to Florida, also in the Carolinas and Georgia, also in the Kentucky, Missouri, and Arkansas, Mississippi, and Louisiana vicinity as well on your Thursday. All right, let's take a look at the weather radar across the nation. We got scattered shower and maybe a rumble of thunderstorms over portions of the northeastern United States. Got some snow flying over southern Canada. Also, we have some shower activity over the Carolinas. Maybe some shower and thunderstorm activity over Florida and northern Bahamas. Also, we have more showers and thunderstorms over Texas as well. Also in the portion of Arkansas and Oklahoma, portion of Nebraska, and also over here in Colorado as well, in New Mexico. We have some snow showers flying around in portion of Colorado as well, maybe over a little bit of Utah and a little bit in Wyoming, a little bit of rain mixture there. Southern Canada getting some rain showers there, Montana getting some rain, and also portion of South Dakota. I got some scattered activity around the Guam area. Also, we got some snow showers and rain showers along the south portion of Alaska. And also, we have some scattered showers around the Hawaiian chain island, mainly in the middle portion of that region. All right, let's take a look at the watches, warnings, and advisories across the nation for your local forecast area. We got some frost advisories over portion of New York State and also into Pennsylvania. Also some freeze warnings there as well. Some frost advisories over portion of Kentucky into portion of West Virginia and Virginia. Also again over here in Ohio, back into Indiana, back into Illinois, and also portions of Iowa as well. Also we have some freeze warnings also in effect for Iowa, Chicago, Illinois, also over the portion of Michigan. We have a severe thunderstorm watch over portion of the panhandle of Texas, and also a couple counties there in Oklahoma. Also, we have some red flag warnings over Texas, southern New Mexico, and southeast Arizona. We got some wind advisories over portion of Arizona and New Mexico. We got some winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings over portion of Colorado, and also in the Wyoming. Hydro issues over portions of Idaho. Also portion of Washington State and Oregon. Got some flood warnings, flood watches in effect for portions of Nevada and California there as well. Also quiet across Alaska, quiet across the Hawaiian Islands as well. Alright, let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center page here. This is for today. As you can see, we're going to start off with the overview. There's all that precipitation over the northeastern United States, southern Canada. There it is over there in portions back into Arkansas, and also back into Colorado, and also back into New Mexico. Got some general thunderstorms in the lighter green. Darker green, we got marginal risk, and the yellow is a slight risk over here in Texas, back in the portion of Colorado. Also a marginal risk down here in portion of southern Florida as well. Alrighty, that's the convective outlook. That's what I just read out there. You can see that on the forecast map. With the watches, this is the watch box that you see here that I just showed earlier on the in just a couple minutes from the Storm Prediction Center there. There's a possible watch maybe for you guys in this vicinity here, so just be on the lookout as well. Storm reports for today: we had 4 tornado storm reports. We had wind reports. We had 4 hail reports. We had 7. 2 was large, so that made a total of 15. So, the tornado looked like they took place over here in Colorado area. High wind and hail down in Florida. Also portions of around the Washington D.C. area, and also one wind report looked like over here in portions of Arizona. Alright, let's take a look at the fire weather for today. It was an elevated risk in the yellow. Isolated dry pockets there in that area there, and a critical was in the red area, a portion of Texas, Arizona, and portion of southern New Mexico as well. Alright, let's finally wrap it up with the Climate Prediction Center outlook, 8 to 14 day outlook. This is valid from May 3rd through the 9th of 2023. We got below normal temperatures extending from half of the country, extending from near Minnesota all the way back to Louisiana, all the way to northern Florida through the Carolinas, and much of the northeastern United States, and much of Maine, except the northern part. You're going to be near normal, a little bit right here near normal across Florida, Texas, all the way back into portions of Washington State, also back into North and South Dakota as well. Above normal temperatures across South Florida, also over here in Texas, back into portions of the upper mid northwest, over here toward Washington State. You got well above normal temperatures in the orange, extending from northeast Colorado all the way through Wyoming into Montana, Idaho as well. And we got near normal temperatures in northern Alaska, below normal temperature for central and south. And let's take a look at the 8 to 14 day precipitation outlook. We got near normal precipitation from portion of Maine through the Carolinas, back into portion of Louisiana, all the way portions of also over here to Nebraska and back over toward North Dakota as well, and South Dakota. Above normal precipitation, below normal precipitation, extended from portion of New York State all the way down into western North Carolina. Virginia, that is, excuse me, northern Tennessee, all the way back over to Minnesota, and southeast South Dakota, and also eastern North Dakota. Got above normal precipitation over the west, extending from Washington State all the way back into Texas. Well above normal precipitation over California, and above normal precipitation over Florida as well, and over Alaska also. Okay, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. Enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got, and we'll catch you back in the next video.